Hey friends, this is Natif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KDA. Recently on a daily time frame chart, KDA has formed another descending triangle. You can see that we have this downtrend and resistance of this triangle and this horizontal support, and the price line is now quite squeezed. The movement of the price is quite squeezed inside the support and resistance, and soon it can break this pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again a very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. And after that, you can see that we had a nice short rally, by the way, from this low to here. So far, KDA has rallied almost 400% or more than 400%. And now, recently, we have broken down this quite long-term support of 85 cents. But recently, you can see that we have found another support here just below the support of 85 cents. That is a support of this descending triangle. And we will analyze this breakdown and the formation of this descending triangle. And I would also like to show you another very massive support of the Ichimoku bearish cloud that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now the price line after the breakout from this resistance is retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for BICO Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And by the way, this is the chart of Biconomy. And over here, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 27th of May 2024. And on this chart, you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like for this trade setup of Biconomy, this was the buying zone, this was the sell target zone, and this was the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And you can see that how nicely the price and moved up from the buying zone and hit the sell target zone here. Now let me take you to the live chart of KDA, and this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this descending triangle. And now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time, it can break this pattern. In case of breaking down the support of this triangle, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at 57.38 cents. But in my opinion, after breaking down this triangle, the price can also test this long-term support of 50 cents as well. And in case of breaking out, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $1.15. But in my opinion, after breaking out this triangle, it can also hit this long-term resistance of $1.40 as well. Now, if we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here you can see that this resistance of $1.40 had been previously breaking at a very long resistance for several weeks, a month, and before that, it had been breaking at a support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of KDA. And by the way, here we also have a quite long-term resistance that was previously breaking as support here, and support here. And now we have recently broken down, and this resistance is at 85 cents. And therefore, we will also need to break out this resistance with the resistance of the triangle as well. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have also broken out this very massive resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. And after that, we had a nice rally. And now recently, the price line is stuck inside this triangle, and now we need to break out this triangle in order to continue this rally to the upside. And we will also need to break out this long-term resistance of $1.40 as well. By the way, during this rally, we have also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and that is now breaking as a nice support. And therefore, there is a probability that the price line may not break down this support, and using this support, the price line may break out the resistance of this triangle as well, this small triangle. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.